It's a fact that everyone wants to live longer. And we're often told that the key to doing this is making healthier lifestyle choices. Well, that's true. A latest study conducted by Longo and Rozalyn Anderson of the University of Wisconsin revealed a new diet that claims to increase your life expectancy by up to 20 years by changing your eating lifestyle. The scientists explored the link between nutrients, fasting, genes, and longevity in short-lived species, and connected these links to clinical and epidemiological studies in primates and humans, including centenarians. In their study, scientists reviewed hundreds of studies on nutrition, diseases and longevity in laboratory animals and humans and combined them with their own studies on nutrients and aging. The analysis included popular diets such as the restriction of total calories, the high-fat and low-carbohydrate ketogenic diet, vegetarian and vegan diets, and the Mediterranean diet. The scientists report that the key characteristics of the optimal diet appear to be moderate to high carbohydrate intake from non-refined sources, low but sufficient protein from largely plant-based sources, and enough plant-based fats to provide about 30% of energy needs. Ideally, the day's meals would all occur within a window of 11 to 12 hours, allowing for a daily period of fasting, and a 5-day cycle of a fasting or fasting-mimicking diet every 3 to 4 months may also help reduce insulin resistance, blood pressure and other risk factors for individuals with increased disease risks, Longo added. Lots of legumes, whole grains, and vegetables, some fish, no red meat or processed meat and very low white meat, low sugar and refined grains, good levels of nuts and olive oil, and some dark chocolate. The longevity diet is not a dietary restriction intended to only cause weight loss but a lifestyle focused on slowing aging, which can complement standard healthcare and, taken as a preventative measure, will aid in avoiding morbidity and sustaining health into advanced age. This longevity diet isn't just the latest fad, it is the product of more than a human lifespan of scientific research. And it isn't merely designed to prevent illness, but to actually slow down the aging process. That's the claim, anyway.